Shout out to Nate Colello. This one's for you, buddy. Not much of a ride, but taking a little ride up through my land. I just had some work done on the quad. Thanks, John Boy. Everything's running great. So this is for you, Nate, John. Biggest deer I ever shot in my life. My ground blind was just down here in that area, or go around that corner. It was tucked in there, and I had a big doe come down this way. I shot her, and then I looked up into this area over here, and I saw some movement. And the buck was standing right up on that ridge, looking in the wrong direction. And I managed to get him. He was a big one, 240 on the hoof, 11 pointer. Okay, back to our ride. Okay, guess our back brakes need a little grease. Okay, kids, I gotta turn the video off because I'm coming down into my area where I can't show you where the buck comes through. But John Boy, 4-wheel drive, working great. Thanks, bro. And Nate, hope you enjoyed the show. Talk to you later.